I put Copilot in Excel to the test by trying to solve one problem of the Microsoft Excel World Championship qualification. In this video, we'll show you how Copilot in Excel can assist and help make spreadsheets easier for everyone. In this example, Axel the elf needs to determine if each child on the list has been nice enough to receive a present. To deliver the gifts, he must identify which states these children are from. Axel has the data for each child in another table. We need to help him rebuild the list so it's ready for Santa's Christmas delivery. Hey guys, Dave here. I'm a Microsoft MVP, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Copilot to solve the Microsoft Excel World Championship, but only the first level. So right here we have a list of names, and we also want to know from which state these children come from, because Santa lost his list and we need to help him rebuild it. So in another tab here in Santa's list, we have all of our names along with all of the states from where these people come from. So we're going to ask Copilot to do this for us. So how to do that? We go in the Home tab, and then on the top right, we have the Copilot in Excel button. And then this pane appears on the right, and we're just gonna ask Copilot to bring over the state from the other table. All right, so let's do that. For each person in column G, I need to look up what state they live in, add a column to the right of column E with the name of that state, look it up on the Santa's list worksheet. All right, let's send this prompt to Copilot in Excel and let's see what the results are. Here we go. Copilot suggested a next lookup function, and then all I have to do is to click on insert column right here, and there will be a column inserted to the right of column E, just like I asked, with the state. And let me close the pane of Copilot right here, and let's Control C and paste my data here in the state column, which is my answer column. And let's have a look at column G, and boom, we scored 40 points on the first level of this use case. All right, we'll see you for the level 2.